Aha, Ethan, I got you.
No, Arnold, that's just a stump. I'm here.
Oi! Who's that? Another stump?
And just who do you think you are calling a stump?
What? Grandpa Billy, I won't do that again. Guys, Grandpa Billy was chasing me in my dream with a watering can.
And he caught you?
No, I woke up. It's interesting how Grandpa Billy splashes and grumbles all the time, and everyone still loves and respects him. But why?
I think because he splashes and grumbles, and he is very rusty.
That means we should get rusty if we want to be loved and respected?
How rusty should we get for respect? We've been sitting in the water for an hour.
Blarp, blarp.
Hey, kids, have you seen my umbrella? It flew away. Or the general. I lost him.
That's it. I'm rusty. Do you respect me, Mrs. Dove?
If you see the umbrella, tell him that I'm looking for him. And if you find the general, hang him on the fence to let it dry. The rust isn't enough. We have to splash and grumble, I guess. A pink umbrella and a green general are lost. If found, return to Mrs. Dove. Oh, my favorite umbrella. Where are you now?
Ethan, come on, grumble.
I don't know how to, but I'll try.
Bo 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 bo. What?
Mrs. Dove, do you love and respect us now?
I will show you love and respect when I catch you!
It's a lovely day. It's quiet. Miss Dove, wait, your umbrella.
What do you think? Do they love and respect us after this? I'm not sure about that.
Ethan, can you hear me? I'm talking to you. What's going on?
I don't know. I feel sad. How about you?
Me? No.
That's strange. Maybe I'm sick.
Grandpa Billy, Ethan is sick.
Well, it seems that you feel sad.
Uh-huh.
I know what's wrong. It's called sad disease.
Is there a cure?
Of course. But you must find a flower to cure it called Taraxacum officinalis.
And where does that flower grow?
Oh, it's right behind that hill.
I'll find that flower and cure you. You will be happy again, I promise.
Oh no. The bridge is closed. We will never find a cure.
No, we will.
Are you sure you can?
I will do anything for my friend. I'm not scared at all. Oh.
You can do it. Look, you're almost there.
Oi! Oi! Ethan, help! Help!
George, I'm coming. George, hold on!
It's good. I didn't get rusty, but on the other hand, we were almost there. It's so far.
We are in place.
Ethan, look how amazing it is. What are you looking at?
I wonder how we should go down.
I guess this is the way. Ethan, I think I found... Hoi, hoi,
George,
hoi,
hold
hoi,
on!
hoi, hoi,
I'm coming!
hoi,
I.
Ethan, where are you going?
There are only dandelions here.
That's right. I should have guessed it earlier. Traisn officinalis is the scientific name of dandelions.
Couldn't you guess it earlier?
You can't even imagine how adventurous our trip was.
And we found some magic dandelions.
I see that you feel better now. Are you still sad, Ethan?
No, I'm not sad anymore.
We picked up some Traisn officinalis as you've told.
Me? Really? I don't remember that.
Don't you remember? You sent us behind that hill to pick up some dandelions.
I don't remember that. Take care of yourself.
Grandpa Billy, I got it. You made up that story with dandelions so we could have some fun, right?
You're exactly right, because a journey into the countryside is the best cure for any disease.
I have an awesome idea.
Are you sure it's awesome?
Ready.
Done, but there are too many sails.
The more, the better.
Ethan, good job. Oh, the weather is bad.
Ethan, remove the sails. A storm is coming.
I'm not afraid. I have anchors. Ah, George, help me! Ah!
Wow. Look how creative Ethan is.
That's cool.
I want to do that. George, are you waiting for your turn?
What is this circus?
Huh? Circus? Coming to our city? They say we'll have a circus. Come see it, and I'll be there.
It's always a circus around here without an actual circus.
I've had a headache since morning. I'm just sure it's going to rain. Why are you always in a hurry, Ethan?
I'm not! I just can't stop!
I'm trying, but I can't stop it. My brakes are very old.
I didn't know that Grandpa Billy and Ethan work in a circus.
Eitan, go to Mr. Clockface.
What's going on?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Clockface.
You're welcome. Just tell me what that was.
Hey, will there be other races?
Why don't you ask the policeman?
Adults never let children take part in races, but they race themselves.
Now, do you understand your mistake?
The sails were too big?
Of course, we'll make them smaller next time. And we will repair my brakes and,
There will be no next time.
Oh, really? I can't believe my ears.
I don't think it's interesting being a ship. But being a plane...
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.